Do you want to set up enhanced conversion tracking but don't know how to work or how to set it up? Don't worry, I will guide you through everything step by step. Hi, my name is Tanya, Account Director at Softex. Today I will guide you about enhanced conversion tracking. Enhanced conversion tracking for Google Ads is an advanced feature that helps improve the accuracy of conversion measurement while using first-party customer data. Here how it works and its benefits. First of all, how it works when a user convert on your website while taking action like making a purchase or filling out a form. You typically collect first party data such as email address, phone number and phone address directly from them. Hashing. The first party data is hashed using SHA-256 algorithm before it is sent to Google. Hashing ensures that the data is securely encrypted and cannot be tracked back to the individual user. Data matching. Google uses the hash data to match conversion with sign in Google account. This help is attributing conversion more accurately across different devices and browser. Reporting. The matched conversion are reported back in your Google ad account, providing a more complete picture of your ad performance. Benefits. Improved accuracy. It provides more precise tracking of conversion across various platforms and devices, reducing discrepancies and provide a clear picture of campaign effectiveness. Advanced attribution. It allows for the sophisticated attribution modeling, helping marketer understand which channel and topic points contribute most effective to conversion. Enhance insights. By tracking more granular data points such as specific user action or interaction before conversion, it offers deeper insight into customer behavior and preferences. Optimized campaign. With better data, marketer can optimize their campaign in real time, adjusting with targeting and messaging to improve ROI and overall campaign performance. Cross device tracking. It helps in tracking conversions that span multiple devices used by the same user, providing a more holistic view of customer journeys. Integration with CRM. Enhanced conversion tracking often integrates with customer relationship management system, allowing for the seamless scanning of conversion data and enhancing lead nurturing effort. Customizable reporting. Marketers can create custom report tailored to their specific goal and KPIs, facilitating easier decision making and performance evaluation. Let's discuss the process of enhancing conversion tracking. Step 1. Requirement. Tag setup. Ensure you have a Google Ads conversion tracking tag or global site tag on your website. Second, data collection. Identify the customer data you will collect, such as email addresses, phone number, names and home addresses. This data will be hashed before being sent to Google. Step 2. Implement enhanced conversion tracking. Access Google Ad account. Log in your Google Ad account. Click on the tool and setting icon in the upper right corner under measurement and select conversion. Third point. Create or edit conversion action. If you already have a conversion action, click on its name to edit it. If you need to create a new one, click the plus button and select the type of conversion you want to track. Fourth, enable enhanced conversion tracking. Scroll down to the enhanced conversion tracking section. Check the box to turn on enhanced conversion tracking. Setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instruction to set up enhanced conversion. You will need to add code to your website to collect and send hashed customer data. Step 4. Monitor performance. Verify data. Once the enhanced conversion tracking are set up, monitor the performance in your Google ad account, adjust and optimize based on the data collect, adjust your ad strategy to optimize conversion. By setting up enhanced conversion tracking, you can improve the accuracy of conversion tracking, leading to better ad performance and more precise measurement of your marketing efforts. Enhanced conversion provide a more accurate and comprehensive way to track and measure user behavior and conversion while leveraging additional first-party data such as email address, phone numbers, securely hashed and matched engaged Google database. The approaches allow for better attribution, improved targeting, and more precise measurement of advertising performance, ultimately leading to optimized ad spend and increased return on investment. Enhanced conversion help marketers gain deeper insight into the customer journey, enabling more effective strategy to drive engagement and sales. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe for more informative video.